Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Friday, October 2nd. It's going to be pretty much the same as yesterday. Weather impact summary, generally warm and dry continuing for about the next week or so. We're not going to have many changes as a big high pressure ridge dominates. You can see we do have a few high clouds pushing through the Idaho Panhandle and pushing into southeast Idaho, but again, these are very high clouds, no precipitation under them. And you can see the ridge axis back out into the Pacific, and generally clear skies other than that strip of high clouds pushing through Idaho. So generally clear to partly cloudy for the next several days. No weather impacts through next Tuesday. High temperatures today very mild, generally mid to upper 70s in the lower elevation Snake River Plain. Generally mountain valleys in the mid to upper 70s as well, and 60s in high elevations. As we get into the weekend, the very warm temperatures will continue. Again, high. These are generally about 10 degrees above normal. In some areas a little bit higher than that. But again, we're going to have the mid to upper 70s in the low elevation, 60s in the mountains through Saturday and into Sunday. Could see a bit of warming Sunday, more areas getting into the low 80s by Sunday. It will be very dry. Some areas will be below 15% minimum humidity. Generally, most areas in the 15 to 25% range for today, Saturday, and into Sunday with the warmer temperatures. Probably more areas below 15%. But for the most part, though, the winds are going to be very light. So, again, no real fire weather impacts with the light winds expected through the weekend. They could get a little bit stronger Monday, but not expecting gusts much more than 20 miles per hour even then. Looking at the long-term outlook, 8 to 14 days, perhaps some good news. It is showing a better than normal chance of wetter than normal conditions in the Pacific Northwest, which extends east into Idaho. So there is a possibility beyond the 6 to 7 day time frame we could get wetter, hopefully. Temperature outlook, no change in that. Much better chance of above normal temperatures as well in the 8 to 14 day outlook. So again, for the next 5 to 7 days, very warm and very dry, well above normal temperatures will continue all the way into the middle of next week. Possibly a pattern change by the weekend after next as we get into the 8 to 10 day period. Perhaps some wetter conditions are possible. But again, no real impacts for quite a while. If you have any questions, call the number listed here 24 hours a day or go to our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.